The problem that I'm going to work for you now is problem 3A on the review, where we want to solve for the triangle given the conditions. The following conditions are as follows, where we have the angle alpha at 30 degrees, bravo or beta at 70 degrees, and we have side B equaling 10. Now, we have to figure out what the other angle gamma is, as well as figure out sides A and C. And what we're going to use is what is known as the law of sine, where sine alpha over A is the same as or equals sine beta over B, and either of those will equal or is the same as sine gamma over C. Law of sines, in order for law of sines to work, we need to have the matching or the corresponding angle with the corresponding side. And in this example we do, which we have the angle beta at 70 degrees and side B at 10. So once we have one of those complete sets, we can go ahead and figure out the next side or angle, and we're gonna work our way towards finding out first what side A is going to be, since we have angle alpha at 30 degrees. So we use what was given to us, and that's sine beta, which is 7 degrees, over side B, which is 10, equaling sine 30, which once again, that's our angle for our alpha side, over side A. In order to work this problem, we first want to isolate the A. So on the bottom, we're going to go ahead, since it's a division, we're going to multiply it, canceling each other out, and we're going to add it to the other side. So it's A times sine 70 or angle 70 over 10, equaling sine 30. In order to go ahead and eliminate that 10, we're going to go ahead and multiply it, and go ahead and multiply it to the other side, which we get 10 sine 30 over sine of 70. From there, you want to go ahead and input that into the calculator. Make sure you use your parentheses where needed, and we come to a value of 5.32 for side A. So now we know that side A is not only 5.32, but the angle for it is also 30, which was given to us. Now, we're going to go ahead and figure out side C. Angle gamma was not given to us, but by adding angles alpha and beta, we get a 100-degree angle, and we all know that all triangles inside are 180. So if we were to subtract 100 from 180, we would be left with 80 degrees, and that is what our side gamma is going to be. So that's how I got the sine 70 over 10 equals sine 80 over C. Once again, we got the angle for C from simply adding up our two angles that we were able to calculate and subtracting that from 100. From here, you just work the problem like the previous one. In order to isolate the C, you're going to multiply it by itself, then add it to the other side, and the same thing with the 10. You multiply it by itself and add it to this other side, and you get the C value all alone on one side, equaling 10 sine 80 degrees over sine 70 degrees, and that comes out to a value of C equaling 10.48, and that is the length of that side. So the given conditions have now been met. We were able to find out our degrees at 30, 70, and 80, and all our sides corresponding to those angles are side A equaling 5.32, side B equaling 10, which was given to us, and side C equaling 10.48. And if this was a triangle, it's not precise, but that's what it would look like. The lengths at their corresponding side, as well as the matching angles on the opposite ends within and inside the triangle. And those were the values, and that is how you solve that triangle with the given conditions given to you.